guys, we're back with a Deaf Dog off-leash recall, and Sven and Smokey. No, Deaf Dogs and Doodles. That's the title of this. That's the title of this video. Deaf Dogs and Doodles. Look at them go. Anyway, so I've got Birdie. When you've got this many of them, you guys, you know, you've got your identified ones that you're really. I've got Crystal that's got that one. I've got Birdie on my neck. People always say, well, how can you figure everything out? Smokey? Remember, you're starting it slightly slow. All right, let's just run. This is what dogs want to do, is run in a beautiful field. All right, look, my little hunting dog is dropping his head down. He's ready to run. Hanging out with Justin, because everyone loved Justin because he was cute and he had a British accent. There goes my little friend. See what happened. Right around. These dogs are Birdie. I mean, they're, you know, it's nothing they're consciously doing. Oh, my little Snowy, she's kooky as a loon, this one. Or no, crazy as a loon. See what happened right there? Crystal, I'm over here filming this dog and you're zooming on that one. Crystal! This is Crystal's perspective. Crystal! This is my perspective. Oh, Crystal, do you mind turning this down? Alright, look out. This is one you gotta watch, because these dogs are bred to go out in the field and just hunt. Come on, let's walk this way. very subtle. And I got up to 40. I went tap, tap, tap. I was probably on 20. I went tap, tap, tap. See what happened. All right, look, Smokey's way over there. What happened was my Nick added the speed. I got up to 60 right there. Tap, 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 tap. And you've got to be ready to invest in that. I told you guys that that guy, I never heard back from him, but you know, he wanted to get the collar. Smokey! He wanted to get the collar that was just vibration only. You know, and that's just, you know, that's not how the Lord works. Well, I'm going to be ready this time. Now I'm going to be more effective with this picture. If you're only just using the Nick, and I talk about this, you guys, and there's people that still use the continuous to communicate with them. It's insanity. Page that one. Spin! Oh God, I gotta give him a bath when we get that to him. You're gonna get something called blowback, the unintended negative consequences of what you thought was a positive action by using too much stimulus. You're gonna reach a level where it's too much, it's gonna start backfiring on you. I didn't do anything. I'm going to tell you right now what that was, though. That was muscle memory. They get to the point. They know you enough. He knew I was getting ready to go onto that pager, and he turned on his own. That was just muscle memory. That's what you're doing with the pager, you guys. I can't stress enough. You're creating muscle memory so that they've got sort of a fire. Look at that center here. As soon as you move away from it. All right, look, I'm going to get Snowy River. Snowy River just loves me. Snowy River is my constant companion. What is this woman doing? Oh, can we help you? Hang on, I'm gonna... Smokey? What? Would you lose your dog or something?
I don't know. I talk to you about training, my dog's trained.
Oh, what kind are they?
One's a Shih Tzu and the other one's a Havanese.
Oh, I don't know, girl. We mostly work with the bigger ones. Well, what's going on with them?
Well, the Shih Tzu, she's a wife.
Uh-huh.
And
How much do they weigh?
she's
Yeah, see, like the training that we do, they have to be 15.
she barks when I'm walking.
Uh-huh.
She goes crazy. She wants to go play with the dog. She's not.
How old is she? She runs away.
Yeah, that's what those two. And Havanese,
kinda like that one. Oh, you two need to stop. Let me get my little duck in here.
I love you. Can you help me out?
No, girl, sorry. I mean, we mostly just work with the bigger ones. There's a place called Oh My Kennel or something like that. I think they might know somebody because they mostly just do little dogs there. Because like the way we train them, they have to be at least 15 pounds, and even the 15 pounds thing is kind of snowy. Oh, what am I saying? She's deaf.
I had a golden retriever, but she passed a couple of years ago. And she just seemed like she knew what was going on anyway.
Spin!
All right, well, thank you.
All right, girls, sorry about that. Smokey! All right, you can see what's happening here. Little Blue is getting very aggressive with this other dog. Do you see that? And he does, shearers. I know that you're going to say she doesn't know what she's talking about, but he's definitely got some aggressive tendencies. Because he kind of does it to the little blind dog, too. All right, get ready, because this is getting ready to spin. Smokey. Oh, he is all over Smokey. Anyway, I'm sorry to disappoint her, but we really can only work with dogs that are good. Smokey. Smokey! But you can see how Snowy is. I mean, Snowy's definitely got some fear tendencies. I was able to interrupt it with the pager, but little Snowy River needs work and lots of it. Get on those doodles. Smokey, so you see how even from that short distance, he started galloping towards me. Everybody comes up and talks to us and goes, we can't go anywhere. That other guy stopped us to talk about his dog that he got from the puppy mill. You know, these online brokers, these people have got it made. They're in New York. The person that he got the dog from was in New York. And then it's being shipped out of a puppy mill in Missouri. So basically the guy in New York is calling the puppy mill saying, we got a live one on the line. We got a live one on the line right down there in Florida. Lost his dog and wants to get another one. Fast forward a few $1,000s later, I get on that little center. And he really wasn't moving away from me then, but he was angled away. Alright, these people need to kind of go so we can check everybody to the van. You'd be amazed at people that come up to us all the time with those small dogs. He's all over the place. Smokey! Oh, he's a precious little thing. Alright, there they go. Alright, guys, come on, let's just walk back this way.